Hi there! Today, we're going to draw our mossy friend, Hum, from Zip and the Tiny Sprouts. Let's start with Hum's eyes. Draw a circle in the middle of your page, like this. Then, a smaller circle inside. And a tiny circle inside of that. Now, do the same thing again a little bit to the left. A circle here. Then a smaller one inside. Then the last little circle inside of that one. Great! Right here, we'll draw Hum's great big smile. His smile is shaped like a jelly bean. Inside his mouth, we'll draw his teeth on the top. One line down, one line across, and one back up. Then a little curve under them. That's his tongue. To finish drawing his face, let's put eyebrows right over his eyes. Hum's eyebrows look like drops of water. Draw a little curved line going up like this. Then loop it around and bring it right back to the beginning. Now we'll draw his arms. They're going to be under his eyes, right here. Make a big curved U shape going to the right. Another little line here, and that's his arm. Now, just do the same thing on his other side, but backward. This time, the big curve goes left, then up. Add a little line, and done! Let's draw the bottom of Hum now. We'll draw a line coming down from his left arm. Since he doesn't have legs, we'll draw 6 bumps going toward the right of the page, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Draw a little line coming from his arm, then make a big wavy line that comes up over his eyebrow. For Hum's hair, we'll make 2 smaller lines going straight up, then back down to his head. It looks like an M. Draw one more little hairline going up. Then the next one, it will be a big, fun, wavy line. Out, and then in again. And we'll stop right there. To show his mossy features, let's draw some little upside-down triangles, or V's, here. Then a curved line here to make another pointy triangle. Then one last line to finish his body. Now you can draw a few more little V's in some spots, like this. Looking good! All we have to do is fill in his eyes and mouth. Sometimes this part can take a little time.
I show patience when I'm peaceful. I show patience when I'm calm. I show patience when I'm gentle, and I trust good things will come. I am patient. I am patient. I am patient. I am patient.
You can add some more mossy spikes anywhere you want. Thanks for drawing with me today. Have fun coloring Hum different colors of green. See you again soon.
Like and subscribe for more.